Hello you, full-time meal this week, pasta, peas and hot dog sausages. You are gonna need some cream cheese, dried pasta, hot dog sausages, frozen peas, chicken crumbly stock cube, mustard, 1 colander saucepan, knife and a wooden spoon. And your favourite mug. First thing you've got to do, fill your pan up with water 3/4 of the way and bring it up to the boil. And when it's boiling, you're gonna add your pasta. I am using the little shell pasta. You can use the little bow tie pasta, linguine, spaghetti, any of them. They've got lots of lovely Italian names on. Okay, once the pasta is in, just give it a little stir, just so that it doesn't all stick together. And this is gonna cook for around about, hold on, I ain't got my glasses. Ingredients, nutrition, allergy advice, cooking instructions, 10 to 12 minutes. Whilst the pasta's cooking away, I'm gonna get myself 4 frankfurters. We're gonna chop them up, cut them on an angle. That way, it's got a better surface area so we can get crispy. I absolutely love frankfurters. They're brilliant as a hot dog sausage, which is great, but also like this, ready cooked, super tasty bit of protein. Hot dog sausages are not just for buns. So after about 9 minutes, add your mug of frozen peas. We're gonna leave that to cook for another couple of minutes, but gently fish out 1/2 mug's worth of pasta water. You're gonna need it to make your sauce. Marcus the mug is the saving grace of so many recipes. If you haven't got a measuring jug, we can create recipes just using your mug. #mugshots. Show us your favourite mug. Right, the pasta is cooked. We're gonna drain it down the sink, okay? Not like drain it all down the sink. We're gonna drain it into the colander and reserve the pasta and the peas. Don't throw it all down the sink. Don't wanna throw your tea away. Yo, come in, come and have a look.
It looks lovely in there, Tom.
Yeah. So now you've had a look close up, we can go back to put the pan on the heat, put a little splash of oil, then we can add our little pieces of frankfurter. Drop them in, leave them a minute, and they'll colour up really quite quickly, okay? But they're already cooked, okay? All we're doing is just getting a bit of crispy colour on them. Now, get yourself your chicken oxo cube, sprinkle that into the frankfurters, and then grab your mug with your pasta water in, throw that in. This is the fun bit. American mustard, I love it. You can use English mustard if you want, Dijon if you want. Really good squirt of that, about a large tablespoon. And then I've got some leftover soft cheese, just over 1/2 tub. And I'm gonna add that to the sauce. You just stir it around till the cheese melts. And then we're gonna add our pasta and peas to the sauce. Stir it all around. And that is enough to feed any supersize athlete and keep them going for ages. Told you, hot dogs weren't just for buns, they're also for pasta. Show us your creations on the #fulltimemeals and follow our page for more recipes every single week.